All right, so in today's lesson, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Chrome and we're going to open a tab. And then we are going to go find Google Classroom and we're going to come up here. This is called a waffle menu. So we're going to click on that and then we're going to scroll and find the Classroom tab. It looks like this and click on it. And if you're already in a class, go ahead and click this pancake menu over here. It looks like a stack of pancakes. And click on classes and it'll bring you so you have different icons. And then we're going to click on the plus sign up here. See this right here? We're going to click there and we're going to click join class. And then you'll come down here and in the class code, you're going to put the class code that will appear on the board here in just a second. You're going to type that in. All right, so we type that class code in right here and we wait for the blue join button to appear and we go up with our mouse and we click on join. All right, and so once we get added, it'll bring us to a page, and it could be anywhere from 1st through 5th grade, but your grade level will be on the page. So we're going to come to this page, and we're going to scroll, and we are going to look for the words that say lesson number, whatever, and we'll click on that. So listen to Miss Al to make sure that you understand which lesson to click on. So we're going to click on this one, and you will see a page that comes up. You will see a page that comes up and looks like this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to click on your name. You'll see a box up here right here. So click on your name. And then once you get done, you will open up a slide. And what you'll do is it might look like this. So in that slide, you will click and type your name in on all of these boxes and whatever it says. So like this one says name, favorite color, favorite food. We'll add all those in, and when we're ready to turn it in, we will come up here to the tab and we'll click the close arrow and we'll go back to our classroom and we will click the blue turn it in button that you will see on your screen. All right,